Alright, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all see in the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be showing y'all like when y'all get the Skytech Blaze, some things you're gonna need to do like when you just get it. Some drivers you're gonna need to download or some software I would say. Excuse me. So first of all you're gonna need to download this thing right here. GeForce Experience. This thing is like it's work with your graphics card. So this thing right here that you see, NVIDIA control panel, it's a part of this. So you're gonna need this for your graphics card. If you buy the NVIDIA Skytech Blaze that I got. So I'm gonna be showing you how to download it. You go on Google and type in GeForce Experience, download, enter, and then you're gonna click on the first one right here. And then it should be showing you where to download it, because I think I got it already, so that's why I think that's the reason why it's not showing me to download it. But yeah, you're gonna click on that and you should be here. Get ready to just download this and to update your drivers. Like after you download the NVIDIA thingy, you're gonna want to go to drivers to keep your graphics card up to date and download your new drivers update. So you're gonna be up to date every time you come here. So just make sure y'all do this like once or twice a month. Just check it to see if they have any updates available and just do it. You should be good. You're ready to play your games and stuff, and you can use this. You can watch videos on this to like set up your shaders and your colors for your games and stuff, because this is a part of your graphics card thingy. So you're gonna need this on your computer. Everything else I got over here, it's what I use to like play my games and record videos and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna be showing you how to update your Windows. Click on settings as I did before, come to update, and you should be good here. I pause mine because I'll be playing games and stuff, so you want to make sure this is up to date so you get more frames on the game and better smooth gameplay and everything. So I do this because I'm gonna do it later because I'm recording this video right now. So yeah, I think that's it. You're gonna just make sure you get this GeForce Experience right here and you should be good. There's nothing much you're gonna need to download. That's the only thing I download when I got mine. So yeah, don't worry, it's alright. Just download your games. If you want to do like editing stuff on this, you can do it. You don't need to like be like, like to upgrade your stuff. You don't need to do that because this thing is already come with Windows 10. They already set it up for you, because remember it's a pre-built PC and they already set up, they already download Windows 10, they already do all of those stuff. So for me, when I got the Skytech Blaze, this is the only stuff our software I download on it, and it's working fine. I'm playing my games, I'm uploading video and shit. So hopefully y'all like this content. Just do this video to help y'all. If y'all like this, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if y'all brand new, and I really appreciated the subscriber that I gained in the last week or 2 weeks ago. I really appreciate it. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if y'all brand new, and we see you in the next one, man.